Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma ni sngi Baar ka arpoi terik Kyllalyngkot ulabo Buh Mawnongrim bantei bat Shna no Secretariat Thymmai ha Umsawli New Shillong. Hakani sngi la sakhi bat donlang naduh Symbud Myntri Rangbah Jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong bat sniawbhalang dhar ki Myntri sorkar bat sorkar nalor kiwei. Yakani Secretariat Thymmai entei jaka haduh sanpulai akar jinglut kaba 10,000 sispa prapulai klur tyngka. Secretariat directorate campus New Shillong and Shna face. Face nyngkong and Shna kompleks kabandon riu pratli ki office kamra bangyam news pangut kinongshong batru jaka terekam bangyam 10,000 praspa arp khandai ngut kinong tre. Face Baar pad entei kompleks bayar haduh 10.8 square meter bangyam directorate bat kisan pun riu teli ki office bat jaka bangyam 1,000 news pa 1,000 riu ngut kinong tre nalor ki artli ki auditorium bangyam ars pa ngut. Jinglut Buh Mawnongrim bantei Secretariat Thymmai kani sngi deiru sngi Jylla rakhe jingdap sanpulai snem jingyo Jylla.
Thank you, Honourable Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shillong Conrad K Sangma, for unveiling the foundation stone and for your vision for truly.
All your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. This is a quote by Walt Disney, something that inspires me and something that I thought would be apt for an occasion and a day like this. We need to dream big. Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Prestone Tynsong, in his speech had mentioned that he never thought that we would be standing here today, laying the foundation stone for this new Secretariat building, and seeing that video which showed the actual design. This is not a video that's been made out of AI. This is an actual design of the real building that is going to come up out here, which has taken us more than a year to actually finalize. So friends, it is an honor to be here today, to be part of this celebration of Meghalaya Day, and more importantly, setting the foundation for the future generations to come. A lot of people who always have a lot of things to say about the government, criticize sometimes, may question this new Secretariat, while so many other areas need a lot of investments to be made. But as you can see from today's program, the different flagship schemes that we have shown and we have sanctioned money for, transferred money. This government is working towards overall development of our state. The Secretariat coming here, it's not about just a building and a construction that's going to happen. It's the expansion of the city of Shillong, which I feel should have been worked and planned out a long time back. Many individuals in the past have started the process, but I strongly feel that we are now taking a major step towards actually seeing it happen.
Right from 2003 till today, I thought the Secretariat cannot be shifted or cannot happen again, or I don't think we'll be able to afford to have a new Secretariat in the new Shillong Township. But today, our dream is translated to reality. And you need to understand one thing, why this has happened. It's because under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Jylla Conrad K Sangma, I remember we have vision document. Not only vision, I should say we have vision and also a mission document where we would like to carry out.
This side. All the best, Good. All the best, Mom.